weight loss benefits of soba noodles and healthy reasons to eat them. Soba noodles are widely eaten in Japan for their amazing health and nutritional benefits. Made of buckwheat flour or soba-ko, wheat flour or komugi-ko, water, and sea salt, these noodles are said to lower body fats, enhance bowel movement, drive down bad cholesterol levels, and assist in the proper performance of cells and enzymes. Prepared in Japan and some parts of Asia in hot or cold dishes and then mixed with slivers of meat, medley of vegetables, and seafoods galore, soba noodles are packed with amino acid lysine, choline, copper, iron, lipids, phosphorus, proteins, rutin, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and vitamin P. These nutrients may help prevent high blood pressure, certain kinds of cancer, premature signs of aging, strokes, and liver disorders. Below is a more detailed discussion of the health and nutritional benefits of soba noodles and some compelling reasons for eating them. Less calories and carbohydrates. A cup of soba noodles cooked in the same way as spaghetti noodles would be better for people who are watching their weight. This is because a cup of cooked soba noodles has less calories and carbohydrates than spaghetti noodles. Here are some comparisons. 1 cup of soba noodles has 113 calories, lower than 221 calories in spaghetti. It also has 24.4 grams of carbohydrates, less than the 43.2 grams in spaghetti. Weight loss benefits. Soba noodles made up of 100% buckwheat flour are an indispensable partner of people who do not want to pack on unwanted weight. Here's why: they have the compound called choline, a form of vitamin B that is derived from buckwheat. This compound enhances metabolism and helps scrape off fats from the body. It also helps people from feeling and looking bloated by preventing intestinal obstructions. Nutrients in soba noodles. Most of the nourishing benefits of soba noodles indeed come from its buckwheat content. For instance, buckwheat's ability to decrease cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure can help people look after the health of their hardworking tickers. Being low in fat and calories, soba noodles are great for those who want to stay slender and mind the calories of foods they take in. Many of the notable nutrients of soba noodles cannot be found in many Western-style noodles like spaghetti. For one, buckwheat in soba noodles is a major and leading source of specific bio-compounds that promote the smooth functioning of cells and enzymes. This is why many Japanese people eat soba made from 100% buckwheat flour almost every day and in large quantities. Buckwheat is rich in rutin. In fact, it is the major source of rutin, which cannot be derived from other grains like wheat or rice. This nutrient aids people with arteriosclerosis and high blood pressure by strengthening their capillaries. Rutin also helps fight free radicals, the major cause of cancer, strokes, aging, senility, arteriosclerosis, and a host of other diseases. It is actually a kind of plant compound's bioflavonoid, an antioxidant, that is also present in substantial amounts in healthful green tea and red wine. In Japan, people are encouraged to eat about 30 milligrams of rutin every day to nourish the body. Japanese people try to meet this nutritional demand by eating at least a cup of filling soba noodles any time of the day. Buckwheat is rich in proteins and amino acid lysine that cannot be found in many kinds of cereal. On top of these nutrients, buckwheat is also crammed with iron, copper, lipids, vitamin B1, and vitamin B2. Buckwheat has vitamin P. Vitamin P is present in many vegetables in only small amounts. Buckwheat, however, has large amounts of vitamin P, which helps the body absorb vitamin C and which also strengthens the capillaries. Buckwheat has choline. Served in Japan after a drinking spree or feasts, soba noodles have choline that helps the liver function well. Choline does not only aid in the functioning of the liver. It also enhances metabolism and regulate high blood pressure. People who want to get the nourishing benefits of soba noodles may eat the variety that is made from 100% buckwheat flour. However, there are many other varieties of soba noodles that people may want to choose. There's the cha soba, soba noodles mixed green tea, Mugwort soba, which is great for people suffering from anemia, and Jinjo soba, which is a powerful aid for digestion.